Hey there, Scrappy Sisters and Mr. Suzanne here in the studio today with a bit of a preview post. August is the month I was going to be working on Isabella, but I haven't quite gotten to it yet. However, my sister-in-law was here last weekend and she brought her Isabella scrapbooking workshop and she completed those pages. And then she handed me her leftovers, including this large piece of the tile paper and her sticker sheet, and challenged me to see what I could do with them. Well, you know me, that's my favorite part of the workshop, is seeing if I can get a little bit more out of it. And here's what I came up with. First of all, for my page bases, I used linen cardstock. And I believe this is the dark side of the linen cardstock. Then I cut this tile piece down by 1 so that I could have a border around it. And that's just a little bit more than 1 inch, I think. It's not quite exactly 1 inch, so I just actually used the pattern to decide where to cut. And then I matched a piece of this mix-in paper for July and August and cut it down to the same width. I joined them together with this yellow sticker from the sticker sheet that I cut in half ever so carefully. That's always a little tricky, isn't it? And then I pulled out the Picture My Life cards that I had. And here are the ones I decided to use. Time spent with you is time well spent. So this was a 4x6 card that I cut down. As is this Loving Every Second. You can see that. Kind of hard to read. Also 4x6 that I cut down to a 4x4. This 3x4 here. I decided to add some journaling strips to it. And then over here, sort of as my title, Happiest Together, I actually used 3 different 4x6 cards. First, I used this yellow one as my base. And then this blue and white one with a bit of yellow in it, I cut that down. And then the Happiest Together, I believe, had some kind of floral outline around it. And I decided to cut that down and just really make this pop by adding those extra layers. Okay, let's talk about embellishments. Here I have the scalloped half circle. And then from my stash, I got some white acrylic hearts and backed those with just a little bit of sapphire paper. Here's another sticker from the sticker sheet. Here I have 2 fishtail tabs. This was on the sticker sheet. This was actually from the bottom of the tag that was also included there. The tag sticker during the workshop, you tuck it, so we always save part of that if it's not going to be seen anyway. And then again, another heart from the Close to My Heart acrylic hearts that I had. Over on this page then, as you can see, I used the other half circle scallop. And here, I've got a little cluster of 3 using a couple of the stickers and the heart. And then over here, again, a fishtail tag, the large sticker, and then the small sticker and heart here. So I feel like we've got yellow across the page, a little heavier here where you start and a little less heavy over here where you end. And then the yellow line draws your eye all the way across the page. So there you have it. I hope that you feel like I do, that time spent with you is time well spent. Okay. Thanks so much for your time and attention. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'd appreciate it so much. Bye-bye for now.